To love and to life and to loves of my life. Yes, the queen of the ball, she took a fall, but her feet did not come from thunder. It was on a dark night, no street lights were bright, and her stumbling mind it brought thunder. I saw all this hap, I did doff my cap, and I asked myself, should I wonder? For besides the idea that she might bring a tear, I thought to myself that I loved her. But I have been known also to fall for the queen of the ball, and my mind has discerned the deep thunder. So I ask you politely on an eve such as this, may I dance with you, talk with you, wonder? After that eve, for out of her sleeve she pulled magic to increase my trance. So I went back to days when I was quite amazed and asked for one more dance. Romance, did you say? She questioned away, and I asked with a thundering roar, I think you are grand, exquisite, not bland, and I think my heart would stay. Then I wondered, since my heart large, should I take charge and hope that I would not blunder, and hope that I would not blunder.